Click Creative Cloud. Oh, you don't have it on there. That's fine. Go to the bottom, go to the search bar, type in Adobe Creative Cloud, and do you see that rainbowy one? Click it. Good. Click Continue with Google. Click the gray one. Uncheck the box. Click the blue box. Click Continue without Google Data. And uncheck and confirm and start browsing. Okay, put your school email. Very good. Next, put your school password.
I wouldn't want to show that.
And now, continue. Are you okay that that just showed your name? Are you okay that that just showed your name?
Okay.
Okay. So now we'll
just
just
my
wait.
name.
Okay, good. Thank you. It'll take a minute. Wait. You can come up here and X out of Edge.
Is that a village
Yep,
here?
X out of that one. Click X. Okay. On here, click Close or Done. And then where it says Photoshop, click Open. And if it opens, we're good.